Slide 1. Lipulekh Pass connects India with Tibet through the Kumaon Himalayas. Considering its strategic importance, in which Indian state is Lipulekh Pass located? Is it A. Arunachal Pradesh, B. Uttarakhand, C. Sikkim, or D. Himachal Pradesh? The correct answer is B. Uttarakhand. Slide 2. The free movement regime allows tribes living on both sides of the India-Myanmar border to travel freely without a visa. What is the maximum permitted distance under this regime? A. 10 kilometers, B. 20 kilometers, C. 40 kilometers, or D. 60 kilometers? The right answer is C. 40 kilometers. Slide 3. The Tibetan Autonomous Region, also called TA, shares borders with India. Among Indian states, TA has its longest boundary with which state? Options are A. Arunachal Pradesh, B. Jammu and Kashmir, C. Uttarakhand, or D. Sikkim. The correct answer is A. Arunachal Pradesh. Slide 4. The Employees Provident Fund Organization, better known as EPFO, is one of the world's largest social security organizations. Do you know in which year EPFO was established? A. 1947, B. 1950, C. 1952, or D. 1965? The right answer is C. 1952. Slide 5. The Employees Pension Scheme, also called APS, was introduced by EPFO to provide retirement benefits to employees. In which year was APS launched? Is it A. 1975, B. 1985, C. 1995, or D. 2005? The correct answer is C. 1995. Slide 6. The Unique Identification Authority of India, UIDAI, is responsible for Aadhaar enrollments and authentication. In which year was UIDAI established? Options are A. 2006, B. 2009, C. 2011, or D. 2014. The correct answer is B. 2009. Slide 7. NTPC, the National Thermal Power Corporation, is India's largest power producer. Do you know the year in which NTPC was established? A. 1965, B. 1975, C. 1985, or D. 1995? The right answer is B. 1975. Slide 8. The International Olympic Committee, or IOC, is the supreme authority of the Olympic movement. Where is the headquarters of IOC located? Is it A. Geneva, Switzerland, B. Lausanne, Switzerland, C. Zurich, Switzerland, or D. Vienna, Austria? The correct answer is B. Lausanne, Switzerland. Slide 9. The Kuki-Zo tribes are spread across Manipur and Myanmar. Recently, the United Naga Council raised concerns about the free movement regime. Which capital city of Myanmar was mentioned in this context? A. Yangon, B. Mandalay, C. Naypyidaw, or D. Maetkina? The right answer is C. Naypyidaw. Slide 10. The Employees Provident Fund Organization, or EPFO, functions under which Indian ministry? A. Ministry of Corporate Affairs, B. Ministry of Labor and Employment, C. Ministry of Finance, or D. Ministry of Commerce? The correct answer is B. Ministry of Labor and Employment.